Hi! In front of me is TCL 408, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Gallery app. Now hold one of your photos that you wish to get rid of and click on those type of dots at the top right corners. This way you will select all of your photos right away. When you're ready, just click on this pin at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures are gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!